Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know I normally start unboxing videos barefaced and we're gonna get into that, but I forgot to film this in my original intro, so I'm coming to you from the future. I did actually get a message from Glam Box that in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway for 3 months of subscription. All you have to do to enter is like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and you will be entered to win a 3-month subscription to the Glam Box. Today we're going to be unboxing the April box, and I'm going to roll the actual intro that I filmed before I filmed the face, but spoiler alert, this is how everything turns out. Let's jump in. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are jumping in to another subscription box unboxing. This is actually my first time receiving the Glam Box, which comes in this really cute little like bag box. We're going to be jumping into, I believe this is the April box. So we're going to jump into all of the items in the box, a full-on review. Is the subscription worth it? Is it not? And what are the products inside? So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And please don't forget to subscribe because I upload 3 times a week. And that's the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to see everything inside the Glam Box, stay tuned. Okay, so the first item out of the box, this is from Glam Light Cosmetics. This is the Royalty Eyeshadow Palette. This is currently on sale for $25, but the retail value is $35. There's some really pretty purples in there. That green is calling to me. So we're going to jump into this to do a look today. So I am actually going to jump into the next item as well because it kind of goes in line with the eye look and I'm going to use them together. From Illuminati Cosmetics, these are the Gel Paint Eyeliner Duo Set. Retails for $42. It is 2 different colors. One of them is neon pink. The other one is electric blue. I'm going to swatch them for you. So these are the liners. Oh, that's really neon. Oh yeah, so this is like neon hot pink, and that is definitely a very pretty electric blue. So I think, I don't know which one we're going to use or both, but I figured I would show them to you now so we can use them together. So looking in here, I'm going to start up here with the shade Tiramisu. And I'm going to buff that in my transition area. I have used Glam Light palettes before, so as a formula, they are, I don't want to say powdery, but they are soft, so you want to use a very light pressure when you dip into the pan, or you can get a lot of kick up. Like, I've dipped in twice, no kick up, no issue, but that's because I am gently picking it up. I'm not jamming the head of my brush into the pan. Next, I'm going to take a tiny bit of Passion, which is this pink shade right here. And this is going to go in the upper portion of the crease. There, that's beautiful. That added some nice warmth. Same thing, if you don't go in with too much pressure, you won't have an issue. If you dig your brush in too hard, you will definitely get a lot of powder kick up. It's actually really like a nice pack of pigment. I'm just taking a clean brush just to diffuse the edges a little bit, but it is blending beautifully. Next, I'm going to jump down here to Sweet Cocoa, and I'm going to add some definition to the outside of the eye and trace the crease. I'm going to go back into that other brush with a tiny bit of Passion, that pink again, and I'm just going to blend out the edge one more time to make sure that that brown doesn't muddy up the transition area. See how it just looks cleaner once you add a tiny bit more pink? All right, I'm going to build up that dark brown a tiny bit more. And then knowing me, I'm going to go into the purple too. Yeah, just to add a little bit more definition. Yeah, I'm going to take a tiny bit of Plumpy. Plumpy. And I'm actually going to put that right on top of the dark brown. I'm hoping that the purple and the brown will just kind of balance each other out, just to give you a little bit more dimension and a tiny bit more depth. So my eye's really drawn to this green, but I don't think it's what I want to do today. I'm torn. I think I'm going to go in with the blue and pink duochrome right here, the shade Glamour. Just because with those liners, I think it's really going to pop. Yeah, it's very mermaidy. So I'm going to pull that across the lid. That's really pretty. It's definitely reading more purple on camera, but in person I'm definitely getting like a duochrome effect of like pink and blue. I like that. I am going to grab a brush and I'm going to load up on that shade a little bit more. I want to see how much more vibrant I can get that if I spray it. So I'm going to load up my brush, take a little bit of Fix Plus, and see how it applies wet. Oh yeah, you definitely get a little bit more of that blue when you apply it wet. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, throw on my lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back to do the waterline with the liners, tie up the lower lash, and go into the next few items. Alright, lashes and mascara are both on. Now we can tie up the bottom. I think, just looking at this, there's really no color where I feel like either the pink or the blue would necessarily be super. I tried to make them pastel, so I wiped them off a bit. But I don't necessarily know if either of these would look super intense. So instead, I'm going to use the blue, but know that I don't want to. I don't really love the way it looks with these colors, but who knows? I might be surprised. Okay, so it's super creamy and does go down really nicely. Ooh, that blue really does pop. Okay, so super creamy, goes on nice. I am going to grab a small smudger brush. That's a good one. And I'm going to start with Plumpy, that purple. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get super close to the lash line and I'm going to buff that around the blue. I'm not going to take it up into the blue. I'm really just kind of tracing below it. And really only on the outer portion of the eye. All right, we're getting somewhere. Then I'm going to switch to the dark brown Sweet Cocoa. And I'm going to blend over the purple. Just to warm it up a little bit more. Then going into that same fluffy brush from the beginning, I'm going to take Tiramisu, and I'm actually just going to blend all of that together and take it towards the inner corner. Now that we did smudge some of that away, I am going to go and re-intensify the blue a little bit, because I did get shadow on top of it. I'm not going to make that the liner's fault. I'm going to take the shade Dazzle right here, and I'm going to use that to highlight the inner corner. If that's not vibrant enough, I will go in with a highlight. That's my phone, not a mirror. Oh, that's definitely vibrant. And that actually looks really pretty. I love the way that blue pops against the inner corner. Beautiful. All right. So that is the first two items in the box. We're going to jump into item number 3, which I'm actually not going to be using. I'm going to drop this in an upcoming giveaway. This is the Caitlin Cosmetics Pinpoint LED Tweezer. It retails for $18. I have like 30 sets of tweezers, including I have literally 3 tweezers right in front of me, plus in my bathroom. I know I've said in the past, you can never have too many tweezers. However, I feel like having a 9th pair, probably not something I need. So if you are in the market for tweezers, there will be a set in an upcoming giveaway, but I'm not going to be reviewing this one because honestly, I don't need it. I also notoriously don't like illuminated tweezers. As you guys saw, I like more of a free form. Okay, the next item out of the box is from Per Se Cosmetics. It is the Mineral Treatment Blush. It is definitely mauve-y, so I think that'll be a nice tone for me. I don't have any other blush on today, so I'm going to take some of that on the cheek. Okay, there's definitely some luminosity to it. It is not a matte blush, not that it claimed to be, but it adds a nice amount of pigment. Like if you just look from one side to the next, I think it's a little light. Like it looks fine on me, but if you're darker than I am, it might. Emphasizing the word might. It might be too light for you. I don't know if there's multiple shades. Mine is in the shade P503 Coquette, but it is the Sheer Glow Blush. So I guess glowy is what it's meant to be. Definitely added some nice warmth to the skin. I am probably, who am I kidding? I am still going to throw a highlighter on because I don't think that's enough glow for what I like, but the pigment itself on the blush, quite pretty. I don't know if I said it, but this retails for $13.95 on the blush. All right, the last item out of the box is actually a duo. This is from Okalon Cosmetics. It is a liquid lipstick and lipstick set, which retails for $14.99. Gonna open the tin and hopefully not break a nail. So the two items are, oh, this is shaped like a wine bottle. This is a Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick in a cute little wine bottle. It is in the shade Party Pink. And, okay, the matte lipstick is also the shade Party Pink. So they're both like pinky and mauve. Probably a little bit pinkier than I would go with this eye look. But we're going to try it. I am going to use the matte. Well, they're both matte. Matte liquid, up to 24 hours. Long lasting up to 24 hours. So they're the exact same color. One's just liquid and one's a cream. So I don't know what the difference is. Color-wise, they look the same. I'm going to use... Oh, that smells nice. I'm going to use the one in the wine bottle. I'm also going to try and do this without lining my lips. So if this is a hot mess, who knows? Consistency-wise, right off the bat, it is definitely a little thick. I don't mind it. It means like it's not running everywhere. Definitely not my color. Definitely very pink. I'm going to give that a little bit to dry down, and then we'll give you guys a review on the formula, because the color is not it. I keep looking at myself in the monitor. I don't like this color. But I'll be right back once this is dried down. I will set my face and throw some highlighter on off camera, and then we'll talk about the lip product and possibly wipe it off and try the matte balm. Balm? Cream? This one. Alright, the face is tied up and the lip is still way too light. As a formula, it still hasn't dried down and it's been about 5 minutes. So I'm actually going to wipe it off and try this because the shade looks a little darker. I'm hoping it is. Yeah, this claims to be a liquid lipstick that's long wearing and matte, but I just took one quick tissue and it basically took the whole thing right off. All right, we're gonna try this instead. Hopefully it's a little darker. That's the same damn pink. Okay, I'm not even going to waste my time trying the rest of this on because I can tell you right now, this is not for me. I am not feeling it. I'm going to go throw on a lipstick that I can enjoy and I'll be right back. All right, we are back and I have a lip on that I can get behind. It's a little darker and a little more brown than I normally go for, but I did want to show you. I do go outside of my box. It's not always the same peachy pinky nudes or vampy reds, but it's never going to be that pale of a pink. All right, time to summarize the box. Palette is actually beautiful. I love the way the eyes turned out. It's the right amount of smoky. I felt like there were enough pops of color in here that you can really play around, but it's also neutral enough that you can get away with your everyday looks. The liners are beautiful, like the blue in the waterline is still super vibrant, even though I've been playing with my eyes and changing my lip and all that stuff. It's been about a half hour. If that blue was gonna fade, it would have already done so. The blush is also really pretty. I feel like it's definitely sheer, which it does claim to be. It doesn't say, you know, super high pigmented. It says sheer, glowy blush. Well, sheer glow blush. And it definitely performs in that sense. Obviously, I'm skipping the tweezer and the lip. This combo is absolute a pass from me. Not a fan at all. Now, as a whole, the Slay Glam Box is a 5 to 7 beauty items per month, minimum value of $100, and it is, I can't even find a price. I believe it's $35 a month. $24 a month. So for $24, this is actually not a bad value at all. All in all, the retail value of this box was $123.94. The palette alone is on sale for $25. So if you were gonna get the palette anyway, because it is honestly really pretty, you'll definitely get your value if you buy this box. I will link everything down below. But all in all, I actually think this was a really nice box. The only thing I did not like was the lip. So definitely a win from me. Let me know down below, what do you guys think? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.